cats they are prey and predator animals. They have to be very careful about what they ingest. And so standing water, that's when you sometimes see them paw in the water. They want to see the movement. They want to make sure that this is fresh water. So they really like the dripping water. I have a lot of clients that tell me, oh, my cat's jumping into the counter and getting into the sink, or I want to brush my teeth and the cat's already there, right? A water fountain is definitely a good investment, and it's for the health of your cat.